So this is what we're going to be making today. It is a 6-ounce grip lead fishing weight. This one is a long tail. I quite like using the long tail ones on the beach because they seem to hold bottom better, especially within a big swell or if the tide's running quite strong. So I'll take you through the components I've used in each one and how I like to make them, because I'm going to be making quite a few and using them for cod season. First, you're going to need a normal set of pliers, also a set of round nose pliers. These are just a cheap set off Amazon. Some slips. I use a clamp just to clamp my mould together. Obviously you're going to need a mould as well, just like that. And for the tail loops here, I'm just using some 3/1/6 gauge welding rods, and for the gripper wires, these are just bits of wire that I picked up from my local tackle shop. Also, you're going to need your safety equipment, your gloves, and your eye protectors, and also some lead as well. So that's what I'll be melting down to turn that into that. So there's a few things you need to remember when you're working with lead. Is always melt it in a well ventilated area. Make sure you've got glasses on to protect your eyes. You've got gauntlets on to protect your hands because you could get burned. And just remember to keep any form of moisture away from the lead once it's melted. So these are the finished weights here. As you can see, this is a long tail one. I've already added the grip wires, so I've got a plain one here that I'm going to show you how I add the grip wires to it. These just go straight through the hole like that. I have one going that way and I have one going this way. All I do with these is just make sure they're roughly even and bend them up like that, one like that side and one that side, trying to keep them as straight as I can, just like that. Push it up and push the other one up. So you're going to end up with the wires sticking out like that.